Hello again, welcome back to another video, and welcome to Onomichi. This is a city in the eastern part of Hiroshima Prefecture. It's well known as an old-fashioned port town with large numbers of temples. The main part of the city is situated in a narrow strip of land between the hills and the Onomichi Suido, which is again a narrow strip of water which separates the mainland from the island of Mukaishima. It's almost like a canal in a way, but it is very much the sea. Anyway, the situation of the city means that the main road and the railway are sandwiched into the narrow strip of land between the hills and the sea. And what this means is that there are many places where you can take pictures, or video for that matter, of the railway with the city as a backdrop. Today I'm going to wander around Onomichi and take some train videos. So if you want to come with me, you're more than welcome. I'm not going to comment on every single place that I visit today. So if you find yourself in Onomichi and you want to take some photos or videos like the ones in this video of mine, then please enjoy wandering around the city and finding some good photograph spots. There are plenty of good spots in the city, so to be honest, I'm sure you won't have any trouble finding some. Anyway, let's leave the station. By the way, this is the Onomichi Suido, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video. It's the narrow strip of water that separates the mainland from Mukaishima, which is an island obviously just off the mainland. There are 3 ferry routes which go back and forth between the mainland and Mukaishima, and I'm pretty sure that the shortest of them only takes 2 minutes, so you can see how narrow the channel actually is. They're quite quaint, nostalgic little ferries, really. Maybe I should take a video of them sometime soon. Please leave a comment if you'd like me to do that. Here's another view of the Onomichi Suido. You can just see Mukaishima Island on the right. By the way, apologies if the wind noise on this video is annoying. It may not look like it, but actually today is 34 or 35 degrees Celsius, and to be honest, when I set out from home, I didn't think there would be even the slightest breeze, let alone quite a strong wind, so I didn't bring any sort of muffler with me. However, here in Onomichi, despite the heat, there is actually quite a strong breeze. Let's call it a wind, in fact. Hence the noise. So, once again, apologies for that. Trains and railways notwithstanding, Onomichi is a really good place to visit. In fact, if you're visiting Hiroshima, I would rank Onomichi as right behind Hiroshima City itself and Miyajima as a place to come and visit while you're here. The temple walk through the city is an especially fascinating way to spend an afternoon. There's also a great range of interesting shops and cafes to enjoy while you're here, and if you enjoy cycling, you've probably already heard of the Shimanami Kaido, which is the route across the bridges of the inland sea that links Onomichi with Imabari in Shikoku. It's a superb cycling route, but before you head off on that route, I would certainly recommend spending some time looking around Onomichi. I'm sure you won't regret it. Anyway, I need to be heading home fairly soon, so I think it's just about time to bring this video to a close. Thank you as ever for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do leave a comment if you've ever been to Onomichi or if you're planning to visit. And, well, I hope to see you in another video very soon. For now though, goodbye.